We're talking about the nature of the family. The Catechism of the Catholic Church says this: a man and a woman united in marriage, together with their children, form a family. There's a nice definition. A man and a woman united in marriage, together with their children, form a family. See, today the society is trying to change that, saying simply two people that love one another can eventually form a family. That means man with man, woman with woman, adopting a child. According to the Catechism of the Catholic Church, no, the classical definition is a man and a woman united in marriage, together with their children, form a family. This institution of the family is prior to any recognition by public authority, which has an obligation to recognize it. So public authority, the government, has an obligation to recognize the family. The Catechism says it should be considered the normal reference point by which the different forms of family relationship are to be evaluated. So we have to maintain what the Church teaches about the nature, the structure, the original purpose of the family. Adam and Eve, God created them, man and woman, to be united in love, blessed by the sacrament of matrimony, and in this blessing, by the marital act, the conjugal act, God blesses them with children. Children that they are morally obligated to receive, but morally obligated to educate. To educate intellectually, socially, culturally, morally, and spiritually. Primary obligation of the parents is to educate the children in their faith, that they have knowledge and love of God, that the children know why they're here, the purpose of their existence, where they're heading, namely heaven, so that the parents can prepare their children with themselves to one day be citizens of heaven.